Konark Temple is ancient and famous temple of Sanatana Dharma dedicated to sun god. Temple is situated near the lost Chandrabhaga river at Konark city in Odisha state of Bharatvarsh. This 800 years old temple was built by King Narsimhadev I belonging to Eastern Ganga dynasty. There are many theories associated with this Kalinga style architecture temple ruins. Some says temple was not built completely, others says it was collapsed in few days after its construction. While many experts believe temple was functioning and it was destroyed by invaders. Considering history of invasion in India, last reason of destruction seems to be more correct. Temple comprises partially destroyed dancing hall, sealed prayer hall and place of sanctum which was completely destroyed. Main idols of sun god are placed at archaeological museum in temple complex. Temple constructed in such a way that first ray of sun reaches at temple sanctum. Temple ruins are famous for its exquisite carvings on dharma, mental peace, agriculture, sexual life of human, variety of animals, music, war strategies and other diverse topics. These fine carvings can be divided in three major layers. Lower layer carvings are of animals, different types of plays specifically made for children. Middle layer carvings are for adults as a guide in day-to-day life on variety of topics. Upper layer carvings are related to spiritual life of person. Entire temple structure resembles image of sun god seated on chariot. 7 horses of this east-facing temple represent 7 days of week. Temple has 24 wheels and each wheel has 8 big and 8 small spokes representing 24 hours of day. These wheels act as a sundial and even today we can predict accurate time using these spokes. Picture of this hoary monument is printed on 10 rupee note issued by Reserve Bank of India. Taking into consideration its ancient importance, UNESCO declared this temple as a World Heritage Site. Thanks for watching this video. To get more information about our diverse culture, please stay in touch with our channel.